Hello, model car builders. This is the Novice Builder. I hope this video finds you well and safe, and wanted to share with you my 70 Plymouth GTX. I had said several months ago that I wanted to build a modified version of it. I showed a metallic lime green one I built of this kit. I picked up another one and I wanted to modify the kit a little bit similar to the box, but added some of my own aspects as I did. The scoop is off a Dodge Dart kit that I didn't use when I built the stock Dodge Dart. So I used the scoop on this, decided to do that. Also, forgot to include this here. Here's my breather for this, mentioning that. I also did a Hemi on this one, decided to do a Hemi. I did this and I think it looks kind of blue in the video, but it's actually this color, which is actually teal, or metallics. This is a Deco Arts metallics, and this is a teal is the color. But it looks blue in the video, I can tell, but it's more of a blue-green, closer to an aqua, or teal as they refer to it. And I use again this Revell acrylic clear coat that I bought one of the whole local hobby stores. Really like the way it goes on. Low odor, dries fast, and it's very forgiving for new builders like myself. So anyway, I did that. Use these wheels. I use some decals. I think these are actually the Goodyear Eagle is actually a NASCAR slick tire, but I use these decals for this. I liked them, so I wanted to use them. I have a whole sheet of them, so wanted to use some of my decals. I put the wing on the back, it's black. I also did the portion here where the headlights are, or the taillights, forgive me, or also did that also black. The interiors are gloss black, semi-gloss black, and the front grille I blacked out also. Wanted to show you the Hemi. I decided to put a Hemi in this from another kit that I had from a Dodge Dart that, as I mentioned, I did stock. I did the engine. It's like the color, I think it's like a metallic zinc. Also an acrylic I used on the engine. I really like the way that came out. Did the valve covers black. Did a 3 carburetor Hemi on it. And here's the breather for that. I did it in black also. Goes on somewhat like that. There's the breather for this car. And I did some headers on it, black headers. I did the pipes just come down about close to the rear axle. There is how I did the exhaust mufflers like that. But there's the engine in that metallic zinc, I think is the color I use. Got to start writing down the colors I use on the boxes because I don't come back to them after maybe a few months and don't always remember the colors. But anyway, I did the underneath the same color as the rest of the body, so just wanted to show you that real quick. So this is my vintage Plymouth GTX street machine. I bought 2 of these cases online, very old kits from back the mid-90s, late 90s. I did my other build, if you recall from my other videos, more like the green that's on the box here, more of a stock, but did this one a little different. You can see the scoop I did on there. Got a little Hemi decal that I put on the hood for this build, but I really liked the way it came out. I was very happy with my results with the paint job and the way it came out, the stance. I used the little rises on the rear springs to bring up the back of the car. I noticed though I had to repair the leaf springs because the plastic on this kit was very brittle. So I thought that was very strange. It may have been stored in a hot, cold place over several years, and the plastic was very brittle, and several of the parts just cracked or broke, several of the small parts. So I had to repair some of them, but was able to get it accomplished. So wanted to share this. Thank you so much. I always appreciate your suggestions, observations, comments. Let me know what you think, and enjoy your builds through the cold. I'm in Colorado. It's cold here, but enjoy your builds. Stay safe with your family. You still have to be very cautious with COVID. So although things are improving, it's still important to be cautious. So thank you so much, and we will talk soon.